I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much fish oil you should take daily. Determining the right amount of fish oil can seem a bit complex, but it's crucial for maximizing its benefits. Generally, most healthy adults can safely consume up to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA each day. However, individual needs vary significantly, so it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional to pinpoint your optimal dosage for specific health goals. This ensures you are taking the most effective and safest amount. Fish oil offers numerous health advantages, and understanding common dosages helps. For overall wellness and general health maintenance, a daily intake of around 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA is often recommended. If you are looking to support heart health or reduce inflammation, higher doses, typically up to 2 grams, might be more beneficial. These amounts can significantly contribute to maintaining good brain function and promoting healthy vision over time. For specific health concerns, higher doses of fish oil may be recommended under medical guidance. For instance, individuals aiming to manage high triglyceride levels might benefit from 2 to 4 grams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Similarly, those with rheumatoid arthritis could find relief with up to 2.6 grams. Always prioritize high-quality supplements that are rigorously tested for purity and potency, ensuring they are free from harmful contaminants for your safety. When incorporating fish oil into your daily routine, a few practical tips can enhance its effectiveness. Always take your fish oil supplement with a meal. This significantly improves absorption and helps prevent any potential digestive upset. Be mindful of possible mild side effects, such as a slight fishy aftertaste or minor stomach discomfort. Crucially, always check the supplement label for the specific amounts of EPA and DHA, as these are the active ingredients, rather than just the total fish oil content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.